everyone, today we will show you how to fix streak issues in your printed designs. First, click Clean to run an automatic print head clean. Then, click Check to confirm that the nozzle check pattern lines are continuous. If the pattern looks normal, proceed with the following steps. Open Idea Studio, select High Quality in Print Mode, and make sure the feather value is set to 100. Then check whether the streaks in the printed design disappear. If the issue still remains after these adjustments, it may be caused by improper film installation, which can lead to uneven film feeding. To install the film correctly, follow these steps. Place the roller bar with the metal block on the left side. Insert the bar through the first plastic holder, making sure the screw side faces outward. Then slide the roller bar through the DTF film roll, and install the second plastic holder on the other side. Align the roller bar with the slots on the film holder. Make sure the film roll is positioned tightly against the metal block on the roller bar. Then, use the align wrench to tighten the screws on both plastic holders. Feed the film into the center of the printer, keeping it level with the machine. Open the top lid. Lift the pressure roller by toggling the lever. Thread the film under the pressure rollers, aligning it with reference lines on the output platform. Lower the pressure rollers to secure the film. Make sure the film lies flat without visible arching. Finally, close the top lid of the printer. If the issue still persists after trying these two methods, we recommend contacting our customer support team for further troubleshooting and technical assistance.